What does SIM1 not allowed mean?
Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue you might encounter on your mobile device, the SIM1 not allowed message. Don't worry, we're here to decode this problem for you. Let's get started.
What is a SIM card?
A SIM card, short for Subscriber Identity Module, is an integral part of any mobile device. It allows your device to connect to a cellular network, giving you access to voice calls, text messages, and data services.
What does SIM1 not allowed mean?
When your device shows the SIM1 not allowed message, it typically means that your device is unable to connect to the network using the SIM card in the first SIM slot. This can happen for several reasons, which we will delve into in the next section.
Why does SIM1 not allowed appear?
The SIM1 not allowed message can appear due to the following reasons. Carrier restrictions. Some mobile carriers restrict their SIM cards to only work on certain devices. If your device is not part of that approved list, the SIM1 not allowed message may appear. SIM card issue. Your SIM card may be damaged, outdated, or simply not properly inserted into the SIM slot. Device issue. If there's an issue with your mobile device or its settings, it might be unable to read the SIM card.
How to resolve the SIM1 not allowed issue?
Here are some ways you can resolve the SIM1 not allowed issue. 1. Check the SIM card. Make sure your SIM card is properly inserted, is clean, and has no visible signs of damage. 2. Reset network settings. In your device settings, try resetting the network settings. This can often resolve minor connectivity issues. 3. Contact your carrier. If the problem persists, it's a good idea to contact your mobile carrier. They can determine if the issue is due to their network or if the SIM card needs to be replaced. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and resolving the SIM1 not allowed issue. Don't forget, it's always a good idea to reach out to your mobile carrier or a professional if you're unsure about how to proceed. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.